Hello everyone. Uh, this is my first presentation about ITM class block 1. The topic is a new life by computer and internet development. Today, some hotels can record guest performers, and when you go to other hotels, they will prepare performers. For example, air conditioning degree, lighting for you. It is the new technology about computing. First, the main point is the Internet of Things. The Internet of Things is referring the interconnection of different objects and devices through Internet. It is not limited to cell phone and the computer. It can be connected with different devices, and so it will save a lot of money and human resources for many business behaviors. The Internet of Things is using in a lot of workplaces. For example, using in the hospital, the nurses and doctors can check the situation of patients' stats, details, and chain stores can check their inventories and address inventory to different stores. Also, the hotels, just like at the beginning I said, hotels can record the guest reference and share to other hotels. The Internet of Things has a really good future. People believe um, uh, about 26 to 30 million users are using Internet of Things, and it will create a 2,700 billion to 6,200 billion economic impact annually in 2025. Second main point is cloud computing, an internet of knowledge service which delivers information. People can store and share data and software in some services through internet. It's not required to be a specific place and time to update or download information. They only use the internet to connect your device to the server, and it also can maximum share the and manage resource by the server. So if you save and update some information resource, the server will save it and use to the other users. It's a scientific ways to manage a resource, and if it is not only provide service for individual users, and also is used in public or hybrid cloud computing future will be credible, wonderful. Some business will spend about 100 billion US dollars on cloud computing in this year. Um, Google cut price about 30% to 85% on cloud service, and Microsoft also follows the trend to decrease prices because they want to increase their users. The first main point is computer hardware, the physical main part of a computer, which is basically infrastructure of computing. Um, it collects monitor, mouse, keyboard, motherboard, a central processing unit, random access memory, and so on. It executing on the software is executing on the hardware. Because of technological development, many elements of computer's hardware are smaller and more powerful than the first computer in the history. This is the case of the computer hardware. This is iMac one in all. The motherboard is the body of the computer because it is all other component interface. The central processing unit is usually called CPU, which executes computer programs. Some elements of the computer hardware can connect to output devices like image scanners and printers, so people can not only use computer to do some work, and they also can use computer to control other devices. The first main point is open source. A computer program, which is a computer program that general public can use free code to view, use, and edit software. So different people can help programmers to suggest and improve original designs of software. This is open source design. Open source is become a little bit popular, but not enough. Many large companies are supporting to develop the open source movement. This decentralized model of production will centralize the different ideas and opinions to improve products without concerning proprietary ownership of financial gain. This idea of sharing technological information is earlier than internet and computer development. Actually, it's happened at when people create a new style of cars. Most companies are still keeping their key parts of source codes because technology is the most valuable part for many companies to make money. So the open source movement still has a long way to go. In conclusion, because of the fast computer and the internet developing, new technology bring more new business opportunities and a convenient and comfortable life to us. Thank you very much. That's my presentation.